Now I am in front of Chinese embassy in Paris to deliver this peace letter to the Chinese embassy for President Xi Jinping to resolve the problem of Tibetans and the dialogue between Dalai Lama's delegation and the Chinese government for better for Tibetans and better for Chinese, better for Uyghur, Hong Kong and Taiwan. We need peace. We need to live in a harmony and respect the nature. It's very important. So we want to urge Chinese government, please reopen and begin again the dialogue and negotiation with the Tibetan government in exile, Dalai Lama and President Xi Jinping. Thank you very much, and we will offer this letter and look for what we can do better for Tibetans, brothers of Uyghurs and Xinjiangs and the Mongolians, and also therefore we want to say also improve Hong Kong, yes, Hong Kong, and respect human rights. We need more justice, we need more human rights and non-violence. Thank you very much, and this is letter to the ambassador of China in Paris. So open it, read it, and make sure that we can reopen the dialogue soon, please. Since 2008 till now, there is no negotiation. So what we are urging today is really, we Tibetans, Dalai Lama, we are not asking for separation. We are not asking independence. We want to live in China with Chinese brothers, sisters in more peace and through autonomous in Tibet, respecting freedom of religion and freedom of education and respect of nature. So this is very important. So we are asking for this. Thank you very much. Yeah. So there's no any, so I'm going to put this and yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Hopefully this will do something for Tibetans and Chinese brothers. We can live peacefully in Tibet through the real dialogue between government of China. Thank you very much. And Chinese people want to live in peace, more human rights, and Falun Gong and what they are suffering. Hong Kong people also need more freedom. And with Tibetan, of course, so 60 years of silence. So we are not seeking independence from China. We are asking autonomous, real, genuine autonomous. This is our dream. And Dalai Lama is a not dangerous person. He really provoked the peace between Chinese and whole world. So please listen the message of Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence, and the Dalai Lama for the peace. Thank you very much, the ambassador of China in Paris and all the Chinese people, Chinese brothers. Thank you.